In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print check on QuickBooks. We'll walk through a simple, reliable process to create a check in QuickBooks and send it to your printer so your records and paperwork stay perfectly in sync. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to get a clean, professional printout. Start by creating the check inside QuickBooks. From your QuickBooks workspace, click the plus new button, then choose check. This opens the check form where you'll enter the transaction details. First, select the correct bank account. This is important because it determines where the funds will be drawn from and how the transaction posts to your books. Next, choose the payee. Make sure you pick the right vendor or recipient so the payment history and reporting stay accurate. Enter the date for the check. Using the actual payment date helps with reconciliation and ensures your cash balance is reflected correctly. In the category or item details area, choose the appropriate expense category or inventory item. Categories are typically used for expenses like utilities or supplies, while items are used when you track products or services. Add a clear description if needed and confirm the amount. Take a moment here to double check all fields for accuracy. It's much easier to correct details before printing than after. When everything looks good, click Save and Print. This saves the transaction and moves you into the printing workflow so you can produce the physical check right away. Next, it's time to print. In the print window or print queue, click Print Check. Before sending it to the printer, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer tray. Pay attention to the orientation recommended for your printer and the check style you use. Ensuring the paper is seated snugly and not curled helps prevent misalignment or jams. If your printer has page scaling options, using 100% or actual size typically keeps the layout consistent with your check stock. Now click Print. QuickBooks will format the check with the payee, date, amount, and details you entered. Review the printed result to confirm everything lines up on the payee line, numeric amount box, and written amount line. If alignment is slightly off, QuickBooks offers alignment settings you can fine-tune later, but for most setups the default works well. That's it. You created the check, saved it to your books, and printed it directly from QuickBooks. Keep the printed check secure, and you're ready to deliver or mail it as needed.